Hey guys, this is a simple, easy, natural twist out hairstyle that I'm doing on some twists that I've had in for a little bit. And all I'm doing is just applying oil before I take the twist down. I always like to keep it out of the way using an elastic or a scrunchie, some kind of elastic. I start from the back when styling my hair. So when putting in the twist, I start from the back, and when taking it out, I also start from the back. This just kind of keeps things out of the way so that I don't have to fish through whatever's falling over it. And if you could not tell already, I have very fine hair. My strands itself are very fine, so my hair is full, strands are fine, and I get a lot of frizz for this reason. I feel like when you have fine hair, your hair tends to get frizzier quicker. So you can use oils, gels, anti-frizz styling products. All of those things, help. What I used to twist my hair were the Uncle Funky Daughters styling products. Some days before. I love them. I love them for the definition that it gives, the softness that it provides, and the shine. All of those things are just, really helpful in getting a defined twist out that feels great. Now, if I took the twist out for the twist out style down sooner, like days before, it would have looked less dry, but it did not feel dry. But from the looks of it, it would have looked more shiny and luscious had I done this style before. Okay, now I'm gonna go in one more time with some oil all over my hair before I begin to put it in that style. Now I went off camera to separate the twists to give more volume, but here I am 6 hours later in this style that I did, and I'm just gonna take it down just to do it all over again, just to show you how I did it. So using an elastic band, I gathered the back half, or a little less than half, the back of my hair, and I put that in a ponytail. And then the front part I just left cascading down towards the right side of my face. And then I left out those two pieces on the left side. One I will use to secure, to keep it flat and not sticking out. When you have fine hair like me, you have to be very careful with the separation process. If you have fine hair like me, you probably want to use an additional product besides the oil to separate. And you also don't want to overdo it. I already separated 6 hours before, so I'm still manipulating my hair a bit, but not too much. But these are just some tips. All product info will be listed in the description box. Now, I didn't have any hairpins or bobby pins, so my hair was kind of falling, but I was trying to see, do I like it forward just in case it did blow in the wind? Like, did it look crazy, or did I absolutely need to find my hairpins and put it back? I kind of decided that I like the look outside, like when it, like behind my face and in my face, so that's what I went with. So yes, if you prefer your hair not to fall in your face, because it's gonna move as the day goes on, or if it's windy, or when you're walking, or you turn your hair, you know, you can't really control where your hair is gonna fall. So if that is a thing for you, definitely use hairpins to keep everything in place. Most people wear twist outs in like a fro kind of manner, but if you're looking for something different, this is simple. It's like a side fro hawk, I guess. But yes, just a different option. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more.